ISUPK.
Listen, and this wasn't always here. All right, I've noticed this the last few weeks. People have said stuff to you guys, and nobody listens. All right. Okay.
And we have already fought this out of court. All right.
So, well then, you know what? Then go ahead. All right, I'll go get somebody from the city. But you guys are here on the weekends when the city county building is closed. All right. So, but you're not supposed to be here. I'm telling you, you're not supposed to be here. All right. I know that I have to sit on a meeting every week when everybody's going to have a different event, and they have to show permits. Hold on a second. Let me finish. We have to sit on a board every week when anybody wants to do any kind of events. They have to show permits. Fire has to be able to see what their schematics are. They have to approve all this stuff.
We don't need a permit to speak free speech.
Yeah, I'm not saying you keep talking about free speech. I didn't say nothing about free speech. Talk what you want to talk, but you're not supposed to be on top of there. That's what we're saying. You keep taking my words and changing it.
The Twyman from the city building.
What permit do we need to exercise our free speech?
Pardon me? You just stand here.
To exercise our free speech?
What? I didn't hear you.
What permit?
I didn't say you needed a permit to exercise your free speech.
She talking
I said
about
you
the
need a
table.
permit for that. You keep twisting the words. I didn't say that. No one's ever said anything to you guys. No one has ever said anything to you guys about all the different areas you are and you're talking to people. No one said anything. No one has a conversation with you guys about that. You keep changing the conversation.
We interfere with our free speech, though. We can stand on the podium. Alright, so if you're gonna write it,
Listen, I didn't. You want to keep arguing with me. I'm not trying to intrude upon anybody's free speech. You guys knock yourselves out. You can say whatever you want to say. I don't say anything about that. I'm saying about this.
we allowed to do that.
So who do you say? Who says that?
So where is it in the law that we can't?
Okay, listen. I'm gonna have somebody come. All right. When they wanna, they can come and they can talk to you guys. I don't know what. That's fine. So go ahead. Do your thing.
What's up with you?
The thing is, we already fought this out in court. We already fought these things out in court. And we are allowed to stand on the podium out here. These things have already been won. Alright? So what we're gonna keep on teaching our demonstration what we always do. Since 1969. We ain't stopping for nobody.
That's
You
right.
understand? And
You
this
film
is the
right
reason,
there and
this
you
is
do.
real tough. We come out here and we start talking about the Bible. You see what the real spirit of this place is.
Just go
You
get
see
it.
what really happens right here. When we get to talking about the Bible, nobody want to hear about that. Nobody want to hear the real gutty truth about what's explained in this Bible. You understand? And that's what we're dealing with right here. We already fought these type of things out in court. So if you want to get us a citation or anything, so be it. We'll go to court. We're winning in the courtroom. And that's what we're doing. We're going to come out here and we're going to tell this truth regardless, man. You understand? That's right. And that's the truth right there. You understand? When the Lord's real demonstration come out, now you want to see everybody want to break this up now. Now all of a sudden, it's wrong to speak about the Bible. I thought we had freedom of speech.
It's not wrong to speak about
I
the
thought
Bible.
we thank you, sister. You hear that, sister? Get that sister a hand, man. It ain't wrong to speak about the Bible. It ain't wrong to have no freedom of speech. We ain't out here harming and hurting and killing and murdering people. You understand? That's what the oppressor do. He comes and he murders and he destroys like that. You understand? I'm not no oppressor. I'm not gonna murder y'all. I ain't saying nothing crazy. All I'm saying is what the Lord said in the Bible. All I'm saying is these real prophecies in this Bible. You understand? And that right there you can't stop. That right there you cannot stop. You can't stop with the Lord. You can't stop the prophets of God, man. You understand? And that right there is the truth. That right there is the full-blown truth, man. You understand? We gonna stay out here and we gonna keep blazing these devils like we always do. Since 1969, man. You understand? You wouldn't start to try to stop us, man. You contending with God. You contending with the Lord, trying to stop this demonstration right here on this corner. Give me that in the Bible, man. Give me what you got. Give me back in Revelations. Give me 13:9. I'm glad that this is in the Bible. You understand? Because for once, black people got a voice. You understand? We standing up to our oppressor in their own goddamn kingdom. And that's what's going on right now. And we telling the truth. You understand? And we ain't stopping. This ordained by God. If you want to contend with that, so be it. Read.
Revelation chapter 13 and verse 9. If any man have an ear, let him hear. Verse 10. He who leadeth into captivity shall go into captivity.
That's why they don't want us out here speaking on these streets. They don't want us speaking out on these streets because that's a real prophecy that's going to come to pass. You understand? The oppressor got to pay for those crimes, what they did to black people. You understand? They're trying to consult on black people. You got 2 million black people in prison right now.
That's right.
What the hell? What is y'all even talking about trying to stop us? Y'all got 2 million black people in chains in prison, man. That's more black people in slavery. You understand? And guess what? We're not going to stop. We're going to come out here and keep telling that truth. You black, Hispanic, and Native Indian, man, you need to get right and get in order with the Most High, man. You understand? Get your life in order, because guess what? Christ is coming. Christ is coming. Christ is coming, man. And guess what? Christ ain't no white boy either. Christ ain't this image right here. If y'all think this Jesus Christ, y'all out of your mind. That ain't in the Bible. This right here is plagiarism. This right here is plagiarism right here. That's why they don't want me speaking right here on the streets of Detroit. Because I'm going to expose the real truth about Christ. He ain't soft like that. He don't look like that. He don't deal with that kind. He don't deal with that kind right there. That ain't Christ in the Bible. I'll show you the real description, though. Give me Revelations. Give me Revelations 1 and 13. Right now, I'll show you the real description of Christ right now on the streets of Detroit. You understand? That's why they don't want us talking. That's why they want you Negroes to keep your mouth shut. The Lord put his prophets back on this earth. We ain't shutting up for nobody. We ain't shutting up for nobody. Read what you got.
Revelation chapter 1 and verse 13. And in the midst of the 7 candlesticks, one like unto the Son of Man.
The Son of Man is Jesus Christ, man. Who's singly known as Jesus Christ. But his name is Yahushua Mashiach in the Hebrew. Read.
Clothed with the garment down to the foot, and girt about the paps with the golden girdle. Verse 14. His head and his hairs were white like wool.
His what?
Head and his hairs were white like wool.
His what?
Head and his hairs were white like wool.
I got a question for downtown Detroit. Is his head and his hairs white like wool? No. Not at all. This is a lie right here. This is why they don't want us speaking down here in Detroit. It ain't got nothing to do with this podium I'm standing on either. It's because what's coming out of my mouth that shut this kingdom down. You understand? Ain't got nothing to do with this goddamn podium. It's about what I'm saying that's coming out of my mouth about the truth about Christ. And there ain't nothing they can do about it. His head and his hairs were what? White like wool. White like wool, man. That's what you see right here. You understand? Their hair, his hair was white. Wool was the texture. Who got woolly hair in this earth? Black people. Those same people that went in slavery under the white man. The same people that went in slavery under your oppressor and that beat and robbed you. Ooh, when Christ come back, he gonna kill and destroy them. God is gonna get them so back, man. And God is gonna punish you white folks, man. God is gonna punish you white folks, and I'm gonna laugh about it. Because guess what? You laughed about the crimes that was done to black people. You told us to get over it, didn't you? Why the hell I can't do the same thing when black Christ cracked this sky and put white people in chains and put them in slavery and put them in cages where they rightfully belong? I can't laugh about that? Free.
God, right on time, as white as snow, and his eyes were as a flame of fire. Verse 15, and his feet like unto fine brass.
Feet like unto fine brass, man. That's a remnant of the brown, right? Read.
As if they burned in the furnace.
If they did what?
Burned in the furnace.
You know what that remnant of brown, if you throw anything in the furnace, what color is going to turn? It's going to turn dark and black. It's going to turn dark and black. Do this image right here look dark and black to y'all? No. Somebody in trouble for that image right there. I just read and proved to y'all in the Bible that ain't it. So we've been lied to, man. That's why we out here on this trip. That's why we out here on these corners to tell and warn black people that you've been lied to about your whole deception of the Bible. You've been lied to, man. This Bible don't speak about nothing but black people, man. How many of y'all know that some of these prophets in here were Puerto Ricans, man? You understand? How many of y'all know that Joseph, man, in Egypt was a Puerto Rican brother? How many of y'all knew that right there? Y'all not gonna know because guess what? Guess what? The oppressor is the devil that the Bible speaks of. And guess what? Anything that look bright, he gonna make it white. Anything that look white, he gonna make it bright, man. You understand? Including the prophets of God. Including the prophets of God, man. You understand? He changed the image of the prophets. Find me that in the scriptures, man. I'll show y'all and prove it to you. I'll let this Bible speak for itself. I'll let this Bible speak for itself, man. Man, hey, listen, I'll tell you all this. I get locked up for teaching this word, so be it. Anything happen to me for teaching this truth, so be it. You understand? Because that's what real men do. That's what real men do, man. They come out here and they tell the truth. We're not going to stop telling the truth. We ain't out, like I said, we ain't out here harming nobody. We ain't killing nobody. We ain't mass murdering nobody. We ain't doing none of those things, man. You understand? Well, guess what? We get prosecuted, though, like we some mass murderers. We get prosecuted, though, like we some criminals. You understand? Black people got knowledge all of a sudden. That's dangerous. You see the proof. You see the proof how dangerous it is to have knowledge. You understand? Especially the knowledge of righteousness about the Most High, man. That right there is what we have. That's our weapon. Our weapon is brotherhood, bringing blacks, Hispanics, and Native Indians back together, man.
Nobody tell you crack. You know why? Because I never saw you before. But you a black man like me. And it works, son.
My whole life was trying to find something to follow. Had loyalty, every man tried to borrow. Felt pain and a lot of sorrow. Got betrayed, sold packs. I didn't even have my heart broke. Living confused, about to lose hope. Cops got me on the side of the road like a sideshow. Need an antidote before I croak. Now I'm setting fire to rhythm man blues, call this guitar smoke. Rebel with no cause, trying to find direction. The world got me vexed. Picked up a bad liquor habit that's hereditary from oppression. Felt like my life was on fire, trying to find an exit. Now look, 10 G's plus a good wreck. Sometimes a follower is a soldier, trying to find a good shepherd. Plus when you in hell, how do you excel? Wisdom the breath of life, I don't believe in fairy tale. Listen well to what I tell. No calling can cause pain, something that a rebel knows very well. Can't you tell I was sent from the Lord? Got a tongue like a two-edged sword.